control setup, customizing, catching nest, casting personally, cotton and mesh, cloudy cotton and cleaning. Introducing the C7 pillow with 7 innovative features essential for your sleep. For everyone with each different body type, C7 pillow has a built-in structure that combines the separate parts divided up and down. Have you ever experienced discomfort in your neck or shoulder after a night of sleep? The C7 pillow can be easily customized to your desired height to alleviate discomfort in your neck. Simply rub the center to make it lower or rub the sides to raise it higher. What makes C7 pillow more special than other pillows? Nest Hall. No matter how much you toss and turn, Nest Hall shapes the neck into a neutral C curve during your sleep, and the empty space provides better cushioning with improved ventilation. Each person has a neck of different length and thickness, and C7 pillow accommodates you with different length in its top and bottom, which provides an option of choosing the pillow direction according to your neck size or height, offering you a more comfortable experience. C7 pillow is made of pure cotton fabric with natural wrinkles, which increases breathability with hygroscopicity, in addition to its lovely design of 3-dimensional and irregular patterns, providing you with a cool, pleasant feeling when used. To prevent the pillow from being flattened with use, C7 pillow is made of silicone-coated microfibers with excellent resilience. Can you feel the difference in C7 pillow inserts? Easily wash your beddings with C7 pillow. Simply put the pillow in the laundry bag and just throw it in the washer. Is your pillow not comfortable or made for you? Considering the pillow is always in direct touch with your face, would you really choose anything? Experience the C7 pillow that is customizable just for you.